Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am IRNA and today's video is a Colourpop collection that just came out. I seen it on Instagram and I had to buy it because it is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Yes, it is my favorite movie of not just holidays, but of all time. So, yeah, I'm weird. We're gonna open this up. The package right here. See what it's about. Is it worth it? Is it not? Because I spent, I think it's $125 for the whole collection. I'll put the price down below so you can see the exact price on the opening day. I bought it the first day it came out, so let's open it up, try some things on. I'm gonna show you guys up close what it looks like, and let's dive into it. Let's open this box up, see what's inside. Colourpop, very cute box. Make sure you can see. Oh, my address. Hide that baby. Put that down there. Colourpop, thanks for being a cutie pie. That's super cute. Okay. Okay, so here are some hair clips. Here. Very cute. Can wear them to a party. I think I might. They're adorable. Look what I did. Little buns, little ears. It's pretty cute. Okay, next we have, what are these? Oh, it's so adorable. These are lippy pencils. I wonder if they're two different colors. Lip Duo Luxe Lipstick Lippy Pencil. So it's
Here's something I found on the web. According to Wikipedia.org.
Alexa, stop. Why is she listening to me right now? Maybe because I said it looks like. I don't know. Okay, so there's always tomorrow, and I think you're cute. Aww, that's adorable. Okay, so we have, it's called A Couple of Misfits, and it's the Luxe Gloss Trio. Those are pretty colors, like a clear, a pinkish red, and kind of like a nudish pink shimmer. They're all shimmery, very nice. also have, what are these? Everything's wrapped up so nicely too, it's crazy. So they look like little ornaments. And these are, what are these? And obviously I just bought this because of it being Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer and all that stuff. I don't even know what came in it, so this is news to me. I just know there's some snowflake thing that I have no idea what it is. So this is Rudolph Lippy Scrub, and this is Clarice Lippy, or Lip Mask. Pretty sure this is a palette. Oh my gosh. I'm such a kid. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. That's adorable. All right, so next we have, this package so cute. So adorable. This is a shimmering body powder. Very nice. I'm gonna open that. And last we have the snowflake thing that I wasn't sure what it was gonna be, so let's see what it is. It smells soapy. Definitely soapy. Humble Bumble. This is Mega Mood Melt. Mega Mood Melt. Cool Mint Bath Soak. Oh, so it's like a bath bomb? So that is all what comes in this. Okay, well that is it for my unboxing for the Colourpop Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer collection. I love it. I'm super happy about it. I'm gonna try these on. If you want to see me do the lip gloss, lipsticks with the liner, the lip scrub, the mask, if you want to see my eyes with the palette that it came with, I'm going to have that in another video for you guys, so make sure to click on the links. I'll have that for you in the description box or on the link above my face. by my head. I'll have those for you guys. So take a peek at that if you're interested in seeing what these products look like, how they feel, how they smell, whatever. Because I know some of these are minty. The only thing I can't show you guys is the bath salt balm type thingy. So everything else I will show you guys. So click on that link if you want to see that. If not, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. It helps the girl out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right. Bye. Stay sweet.